Let's take a look at the 40mm lift kit to suit the November 2011 and later Ford PX Ranger. Every kit comes complete with foam cell front and rear shock absorbers, front coil springs with your choice of 2 different spring rates, rear leaf springs with your choice of 3 different spring rates, urethane bushers, U-bolts and a transmission spacer. And then there are your options. You can upgrade your struts and shocks to 9-way adjustable units, and your struts can even be upgraded to pre-assembled units to make the install safer and easier. In the rear, you can specify a set of upgraded greasable shackles. If you're unsure about what options are right for you, contact the team of experts at Snake Racing, either by phone or online.